Hi guys, so this is a quick video because I did was trying something and I found out it's working, so I decided to share. So never mind the background, this is my daisy daisy flowers crochet thing. But anyway, so this is an amazing mix. I saw like a quick short on Facebook from a while to clean silver accessory, okay, or anything silver. So I have a my ring here. This is a very old ring, and as you can see, it's really dirty, need to be cleaned. And yeah, it's not as bad as was this the water is hot, this one. My bad that I didn't picture or record this necklace before cleaning it. It looks like new, and you have no idea how dirty and how rusty it was. It was so rusty because I didn't wear it from a really long time, so the color was not silver. It was like a kind of a silvery gold kind of color, and it was dirty. All these spaces here was very dirty. The back here, all that. It was so rusty, and the chain was like rust. It was weird that the chain had some rust in it. It was really weird, and it smells funny. But you see that it's completely clean after I bought it in this mix, and as you can see, the water looks weird, a little bit yellow. It's not obvious on the recording, but it's really yellow, actually. Really yellow. It was white when I added the mix. And look at this. I am amazed, so that's why I decided to try on this little ring here to show you how it works. But the mix is okay. It's a hot water. Okay, it's not that hot, but now it's a little bit cold now, but still hot. So I added cold water, like this foil. It's aluminum paper or foil, and I added a little bit of salt and a little bit like 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. You can add baking soda or bicarbonate, but what I have here is baking soda, so I added baking soda and just I said, okay, let's put this rusty chain or necklace in to see if it's gonna work. And after I add it for I leave it for about 30 seconds, and then I take it off, and I use a small old tooth brush to clean these grooves here, and it cleaned, and it was wow. I am amazed. So let's try this together. I'm gonna leave the chain a bit here because it needs a little bit cleaning because it was so rusty. You have no idea how rusty it was. I'm really regretting recording it before doing this experiment. So okay, let's take another look again on my ring. You can see this. You can see it. It's not clean, it's not cool, looks rusty, looks like yellow. Has this yellow color in it. Yeah. So let's put it in and try this experiment together. So yeah. Okay, I guess it needs a brush. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here and find a stand for my phone. see this? Okay, there's a little bit of scratches here. It's not dirty, it's scratches, but this was the dirty part, and you can see the difference now. All right. Oh my god, it's clean. It's clean and shiny. Alright, it's really tight for my hands now. But wow, that's amazing. So give it a try if you have a very dirty thing we need to clean, and I promise you it will clean it. I regretting not picturing this one before cleaning it. It was like massive dirty, and look at it now. Look at it now. Wow. Wow, this is massive. This is massive. Okay guys, before I go, so as you can see, can you see the water, how dirty it is? It shouldn't be that dirty. It should be like a kind of a milky, like a very light milky color, white one, because of the baking soda. So it shouldn't look yellow like this. So all this yellow color is the rust from my necklace. Imagine all that wasn't here. So yeah, I guess that's the proof that it really works and it clean everything. I'm so excited, and give it a try if you have any silver, especially very dirty silver objects. It will work and make everything as new, as clean as new. It's a very amazing. So give it a try and let me know if you tried in the comment section down below, and I really hope you liked this video and it was helpful, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All my social media will be in the description box down below, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you have a notification every time I upload a new video on my channel. And I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much. Bye. Okay, I washed it with a clean water. Okay, because I'm gonna let it completely dry before I store it, and after I washed it with the water, it even looks more like shinier and more beautiful, more clean. Okay, so yeah, this is the final result. I just want to show you how it's gonna look like after cleaning it. And now I'm gonna add it on a towel, especially my chain, to let it completely air dry before I store it in my drawer. So I'm so happy. Give it a try, guys. You're gonna like it.